Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. This Mirka vacuum hose and cable all in one is a really great option for your dust collector. This is a super handy item. You can use this with your electric sander and your dust collector. So it is a way to power your electric sander, but also have an integrated vacuum hose for collecting the dust. So you can see how the cord is attached right there with the hose itself. So it's really easy to have these two pieces together where you can plug in your electric sander and your hose at the same time, and then you're only dealing with one cord and hose together. It is over 19 feet in length and it's lightweight and portable and easy to move it around. But because it's a dual in one, it's really versatile, and we use this hose even if we're not using an electric sander. You can see here the hose by itself connected to the pneumatic sander. We just unplug the electric cord and still continue on to use that vacuum hose. So we just love it. It's super handy. It is a nice size. It's lightweight. It's easy to connect to all of our different tools. So I would definitely recommend this product, and that is my point of view.